Alright, we got 2006 Nissan Teana. When it drives on the bad road, it is making noise, so we'll do the troubleshooting. Alright, as you can hear, that's a knocking noise. To see where it's coming from, it's on the bushing. The control arm on the bushing is finished. Right there. It is still to still now. You could hear it when you pull it, you could hear it. See, that's where the noise coming from. Loud noise. Right. This is a Nissan Teana 2006. Alright, so the control arm need to be changed. Alright.